The TV show Pimp My Ride filmed a total of 73 episodes where they worked on all kinds of cars, transforming them into customized and unique vehicles. Unfortunately, not everyone could make it onto the show, but many people around the world dream of upgrading their cars. Thankfully, solutions like this suspension system make it easier to enhance your vehicle in a spectacular and efficient way. This system allows you to raise and lower your car, and it's not only visually appealing but also comfortable. It includes a special mode for adjusting your car's position in parking lots and on highways. You can find complete sets, such as the one designed for a Jeep Gladiator priced at $7,000, or you can purchase individual components as needed. The system also comes with a convenient Bluetooth 5.0 remote control and is compatible with the eLevel Plus app. According to the manufacturer, these suspension systems are already in use on more than 40,000 cars worldwide. Bike eRACK. There's now a solution to the challenges of loading a mountain bike into the trunk or onto a car's roof, especially when dealing with multiple bikes. Introducing the first bike rack on the market that can automatically load bikes. The top-of-the-line model, weighing 52 kilograms, can carry up to 148 kilograms of weight and accommodate up to 5 bikes at once. To load your bikes, all you need to do is lock the bike wheels and use the included remote control. This process is quick, easy, and safe. For those seeking something unique, there's also a trike version available. The price for a single bike model starts at $1,800. Speaking of surfing, did you know that the world's longest surfboard stretches an impressive 48.72 feet in length, with a whopping 25 people catching waves on it over a distance of 1.2 miles? Yet, the challenges of transporting regular surfboards remain. That's where an innovative Australian company comes in, offering a solution suitable not just for surfers but also for skiers and snowboarders. Their inflatable roof rack, weighing a mere 20.5 ounces and easily foldable to fit into a compact backpack, can shoulder a maximum load of 100 pounds. Crafted from robust 420D nylon, a material often found in tints, it comes equipped with secure straps, all for the price of $100. For $240, you might wonder what makes a 7.5-liter water container special, but here are some features that set it apart. Firstly, it comes with a battery compressor, as well as various nozzles and accessories. Secondly, the container's unique shape allows you to collect rainwater, which can be quite handy, particularly for using it as a portable shower during outdoor adventures. Lastly, these containers are constructed from LDP, the same material used in food containers and cosmetic tubes, ensuring safety. The battery provides approximately half an hour of operation, and with 7 different nozzles included, every minute of use is bound to be highly productive. If you regularly deal with heavy loads, this electric cargo carrier offers a convenient solution. It can handle up to 350 pounds, and you can effortlessly raise or lower it in just 20 seconds. When empty, it folds in a way that doesn't increase the car's size, and you can prepare it for use in a mere 6 seconds. The controls are simple, with one button for all functions. The construction stands at a height of 46 inches, and the platform dimensions measure 60 by 23 inches. Additionally, warning lights are included for safety. Installation is hassle-free, requiring no drilling or complex procedures, and it comes with all the necessary wiring and a license plate holder. This electric cargo carrier is priced at $980. ContainGo. Standard 6-meter containers play a vital role in transportation, making up approximately 25% of the global container fleet. It's no wonder they are widely used. There's even a system designed for pickup trucks to efficiently manage these containers. Loading and unloading containers weighing up to 8.2 tons is a quick 10-minute task, and no extra equipment is needed. What's more, a single person can execute the operation with precision, ensuring accuracy within a mere 2.5 centimeters. These systems excel in confined spaces and are invaluable in emergency situations, such as disaster relief efforts. For pricing details, you'll need to inquire directly. In the UK, there's a noteworthy product, jacks that cater to both regular motorists and racing drivers. These manufacturers also provide solutions for brake and clutch systems used in vehicles from renowned brands like Aston Martin, Bugatti, Ferrari, and others. A case in point is AP Racing products, which were preferred by over 60% of the participants in the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans race in 2022. The company's jacks are engineered to be swift, lightweight, and dependable. They are pneumatic models with lifting capabilities that extend up to 1,490 pounds, operating under a maximum pressure of either 20 or 30 bar, and offering various stroke lengths. Some fish puff themselves up to appear larger and intimidate enemies, while some people achieve a similar effect by purchasing massive vehicles, such as the 6.8-meter-long Ford Super Duty. However, getting into such a vehicle can be quite challenging. But if you have the means to own a car like this, you could also invest in side steps. With these steps designed for the Ford Endeavor, you won't need to raise your foot to a height of 370 millimeters. You'll only need to raise it to 260 millimeters. These steps are user-friendly. They extend when you open the door and retract when you close it, and they can support a weight of up to 400 kilograms. This shower tent is an ideal solution for various outdoor settings like camping, beaches, construction sites, and other places where a shower might not be readily available. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing only 17.6 pounds with a size of 3.3 by 3.3 by 5.6 feet. The tent comes equipped with a roof, a shower holder, and adjustable height settings. Constructed from durable 300D ripstop polyester, similar to the material used for umbrellas, it's built to withstand different conditions. The tent, designed with special weights for added stability and strong winds, is available for $290. For those who cherish their motorcycles and prefer pickup trucks, here's a clever solution. Priced at $180, this insert allows you to keep the tailgate open, extending the usable space by an additional 66 centimeters. This added length facilitates the transportation of not only motorcycles but also tools, construction materials, and various cargo. The insert is designed to fit most pickup trucks, including models like the Chevrolet Colorado. It comes complete with special straps for added security. Installation is a relatively simple process, taking just an hour or two. Plus, when you no longer need the insert, it can be quickly removed using the convenient quick-release pins. In 2021, approximately 850,000 ATVs were sold worldwide, with growing popularity in China, where the trend for off-road vehicles emerged a bit earlier. However, there's a common problem: how to transport your new ATV to the riding location. Here's a solution: a ramp that's designed to be placed in the back of a pickup truck, enabling you to transport quad bikes, buggies, and similar vehicles. The specifications may vary depending on the version, but for example, this one can accommodate buggies up to 76 inches wide and 165 inches long, while still allowing for the hauling of a trailer. The manufacturer promises easy installation, with an assembly manual spanning 17 pages and compatibility with various winches. The price for this solution is around $4,000. Proper aeration is essential for maintaining a lush and healthy lawn, as it enables the soil to receive the right combination of water, air, and nutrients, resulting in a dense and beautiful grass cover. Surprisingly, even if you have no specialized lawn equipment but own a Range Rover, you can initiate the aeration process with some creative thinking. Start by locating a lawnmower aerator attachment, analyze its design, and then craft a larger version, nearly 4 times its size, with dimensions of approximately 60 centimeters. The inventor's ambitious plan involves testing this oversized aerator at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. Motorsport LORALAMIA Offroad. This lift kit is designed for off-road racing and is compatible with vehicles like the Range Rover. These solutions from American firms are essential for residents of many states in the United States, where heavy snowfalls are not uncommon. In early 2022, flights were canceled, schools closed, and hundreds of thousands of people were left without power in the eastern part of the country. Drawing on more than 40 years of experience in snow removal, the manufacturers have created these patented edges that surpass all analogs. Both front and rear auto models are available, and the cutting edge is also effective against ice. The geometry of these edges can be quickly and easily adjusted as needed, and the blades can be as wide as 14 feet. These towing systems have truly stood the test of time, with their initial introduction dating back to 2003. Even after 20 years, they remain highly relevant, especially considering that the top version can handle a substantial load of up to 4.5 tons. The manufacturer was one of the pioneers in using computer testing methods, employing FEA, which is the same method used by NASA. The exclusive design of these systems offers the industry's largest maneuvering radius, and their installation and preparation for work are straightforward, even when done alone. The electronic control system's wires are neatly concealed within the structure, eliminating the need to wrap them around the hitch. The price is substantial, with the top version costing $1,600.